I think I will go back to tailoring. Depends on the project, the size of the project, the background that I know about the stakeholders. I tailor how I start the project. But what is important is that first you communicate. So there is nothing called over communication. So communicate,
right.
and tailor the message based on the audience. So you need to speak the audience language. If I'm introducing the project, let's assume it's an IT project, to business team, I need to speak the business language, not the heavy technical terms. So communication is vital. The other thing that is very important is the relationship. So you have to build a personal rapport with stakeholders. Humans, again, they are social creatures. So we like to have a bond. And it's always easy when you have your friends on your side, right?
Yeah.
So by nature. So let's set the expectation that we are one team. We're working together into the journey, and the objective is XYZ. So we can explain the objectives, but then we need to set the expectation that no one is going alone. We are a team. We're here to support you. We will listen to every single person of you. There is no concern that is not valid. If you think that it's not valid, then convince the people that it's not valid rather than ignore it. And at the end of the day, if people feel that they are supported by a team, then you will get the buy-in.
Yeah.
Whether they know about IT projects, whether it's their first IT project, it's the same. It's all about getting the right support.